Solar Realtor. It's your boy Dean. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a home showing with Rolle Estate. Alright guys, we got this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Brick rancher out here in the Greenfield Farms neighborhood of Portsmouth. If you say Portsmouth instead of Portsmouth, somebody's gonna know you're not from here. They might take advantage of you. But it's been recently renovated. It was built back in 1969. But let's check it out and see what we got going here. Hey, is it me or do you jog up steps or?
You gotta jog. You gotta get them steps in.
I don't know why, bro. I always jog up steps. All right, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so now to see what we're getting into here. We got updated flooring. I'm not sure if this is luxury vinyl plank, but it looks very, very nice. Looks a lot better than the floors I had when I bought my first house. A lot of people are kind of going with the neutral colors, like the light blues, the light grays, the light tans. You see them in a lot of houses. Living room area. Zoom. What's that? I thought that was a caterpillar. I was asking. So, we from different ethnic backgrounds. Your household, did you guys have like a formal living room or?
Yes.
Okay,
that was definitely where all the uncles hung out.
Okay, so
all the kids were in the living room and the aunts were in the kitchen.
We had the same thing, but now I think back on it, I don't know why we had that.
Yeah.
I don't really like formal living rooms, but hey, I'm not perfect.
It was just a flex back in the day.
You got your dining room here, continues into the living room, all clean, all neat. This flip was done very, very well. So as we go into this way, we have access to the kitchen area. Kind of a small open concept. Nice updated cabinetry, updated countertops. Everything looks pretty smooth here. We have the soft close, no noise. So we got all stainless steel appliances here. Everything looks smooth. You got a view into the backyard, which is really, really, really nice. I like this a lot. This is a real good starter kitchen here, I gotta say. Got this light right here, which I guess would have been a table, but it's not really too much space. Who is me? Okay, it's all cool. So, leading to where you are every Sunday watching your favorite team lose if they play the Saints. We have the den. We have a, is this wood or? I think that is a wood burning fireplace. It's just stays well. Got a wood burning fireplace here. Nice little mantel here. No space for the couch here. I love this fan. Everything's cool here. I love the tray lighting. The tray lighting looks great in here. Behind you, if you can see them, you have access to a screened in back porch here. You have two sides of the yard here. I'm not gonna take you guys outside, but you got two sides of the yard here. Very, very simple, very, very neat. You can actually drive all the way up the side of the house to enter through the back, which is really, really nice here. All right, so let's keep on going here. Entrance we came from is right here. We have the guest bathroom right here, and the guest bathroom, in my opinion, is very big for a guest bathroom. Go ahead and check that out. That's pretty big, bro. That's pretty big. Really nice there.
The main bathroom was that big.
Hey, man. You onto something. So you got a linen closet right here. Let's go into the main bedroom. So as we have the main bedroom, booyah. Main bedroom right here. I mean, at the end of the day, this home is priced about $300K. I personally think if you're in that price range, this is really, really good, really, really feasible for a lot of people. You're gonna be starting off a lot better than a lot of other people started off. Main bathroom right here. Got a stand-up tile shower, updated vanity. Got a new toilet in here. Go ahead and check that out, see what we got in there. All clean, all smooth. I mean, you go in there, brush your teeth, you take a shower. That's all you gotta do. Ooh, yeah.
Rinse and repeat.
Nice big double closet here. Got two other bedrooms here. Got kids. Pretty feasible here. They both have windows to the front yard, so you can see who's pulling up. But nice spacious rooms here. It's not those tight rooms where you can only fit a little bunk bed and not even a desk, but you can actually fit a dresser. If it was me, I would probably put a bed right here. You can still fit a dresser right here. You can still fit a chest right here. It's enough space to have a full bedroom assortment here. So that's pretty much the entire home. Let's go ahead and close it on out. Let's go ahead and give you the cinematics so you see what we had. Guys, thanks for viewing this home with me. I want to say thank you to listing agent Andy Nelson, Iron Valley Real Estate, for allowing us to see his listing. Kind of ended it all off. I think this home would be great for a first-time home buyer. It's fully updated. Buying a home can be the cornerstone of the beginning of wealth in your 20s and 30s. So I would think somebody buying this house will be setting themselves up for a real nice future. There's going to be more home showings. If you want to watch more homes, stay tuned to the channel.